हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी विद दीप यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशनल वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को डीएवी क्लास 8 इंग्लिश प्रैक्टिस के चैप्टर 7 एक्टिव एंड पैसिव वॉइस का सॉल्यूशन देने वाला हूं। स्टूडेंट्स, इससे प्रीवियस मैंने सारे चैप्टर्स के वीडियोस अपलोड कर दिए हैं। यदि आप लोगों ने वीडियोस को नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको लिंक दिया गया है, आप लोग उन वीडियोस को भी जरूर देख लीजिएगा। ओके, आज मैं आपको इस चैप्टर का सॉल्यूशन देने वाला हूँ, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। वर्कशीट 1 में आपको यहाँ पे दो बॉक्सेस दिए गए हैं और उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पे आप लोगों को रिमेंबर दिया गया है। तो दोनों बॉक्सेस में क्या अंतर है? बॉक्स ए में एक्टिव वॉइस वाले सेंटेंस है एंड बॉक्स बी में आप लोगों को पैसिव वॉइस वाले सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं। ओके, और उससे रिलेटेड यहाँ पे रिमेंबर। तो देखिए, पैसिव वॉइस को हम लोग तब यूज करते हैं जब हम लोग ये नहीं जानते हैं कि एक्शन को या फिर काम को किसने किया। ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अल्बर्ट फॉरमैन वाज गिवन इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब्स। अल्बर्ट फॉरमैन को इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब्स मिले थे, लेकिन किसने दिया था ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता है और इसकी जानकारी हमें लेने की भी जरूरत नहीं है। द एक्शन डन इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन नोइंग हु हैज डन इट। मतलब कि जो काम हुआ है वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है बजाय इसके कि काम किसने किया है। ओके, यही दोनों में अंतर होता है, इसलिए हम लोग पैसिव वॉइस को यूज करते हैं। पहला कि हम लोग ये नहीं जानते हैं कि एक्शन किसने किया है, और दूसरा कि जो काम हुआ है वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है बजाय इसके कि काम किसने किया है। अब हम लोग वर्कशीट 2 को देखते हैं। वर्कशीट 2, लुक एट द सेंटेंसेस गिवन बिलो, कैन यू कन्वर्ट देम इनटू पैसिव वॉइस। बोला जा रहा है कि नीचे कुछ सेंटेंसेस है, हम लोग को इसे देखना है और बताना है क्या हम इसे पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट कर पाएंगे। यदि कर पाएंगे तो कर देंगे और यदि नहीं कर पाएंगे तो नो चेंज लिख देंगे। तो पहला, ही वॉक्ड ऑल द वे होम, तो यहाँ पे नो चेंज होगा क्योंकि ये पैसिव में है। सेकंड, ही डिड नॉट फाइंड अ सिगरेट शॉप, ए सिगरेट शॉप वाज नॉट फाउंड बाय हिम। Third, Albert picked up a pen. A pen was picked up by Albert. He put a large cross at the bottom of paper. A large cross was put by him at the bottom of paper. Albert Foreman laughed loudly. No change. The manager looked surprised. No change. सेंटेंस 1, 5 and 6 cannot be changed into passive. Do you know why? बोला जा रहा है कि सेंटेंस 1, 5 और 6 को हम लोग पैसिव में नहीं चेंज कर सकते हैं। क्या आप जानते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ? इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब को कभी भी पैसिव फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस नहीं किया जा सकता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई ओपनड ए बैंक अकाउंट, तो ये ओपन जो है यहाँ पे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब काम कर रहा है। ओके, तो ये चेंज होगा और इसको चेंज कैसे करेंगे? ए बैंक अकाउंट वाज ओपनड बाय मी बट ही लाफ्ड लाउडली। यहाँ पे लाफ्ड इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब है, तो इसे हम लोग पैसिव वॉइस में चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं। बी, पुट अ टिक अगेंस्ट दोज सेंटेंसेस दैट कैन बी चेंज इनटू पैसिव, पुट अ क्रॉस अगेंस्ट दोज दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज इनटू पैसिव। देखिए, बोला जा रहा है कि हम लोगों को क्रॉस और टिक करना है। क्रॉस कब करना है? जब उसे पैसिव में नहीं चेंज किया जा सके, और टिक कब करना है? जब उसे पैसिव में चेंज किया जा सके। तो पहला, आई नीड अ पेंट ब्रश, टिक। माई पेरेंट्स सेंड मी टू हॉस्टल, करेक्ट। The matron sent us to bed at 10 p.m. Correct. The shops were always very busy. Incorrect. The vicar heard the news. Correct. The vicar grew old. Incorrect. He stood near the door wearing a black robe. Incorrect. He lived in a city. Incorrect. Mr. Foreman did the things new way. Correct. You must find a new version. Correct. Worksheet 3, read the table given below and note how various tenses are changed into passive. यहाँ पे हम लोगों को एक टेबल दिया गया है, हम लोगों को इसे देखना है और ये समझना होगा कि कैसे वेरियस टेंसेस को हम लोग पैसिव में चेंज करते हैं। जैसे सिंपल प्रेजेंट, आई क्लिक पिक्चर्स, पिक्चर्स आर क्लिक्ड बाय मी। और यहाँ पे जो सेंटेंस है इसे हम लोगों को खुद भरना है। आई राइट स्टोरीज, स्टोरीज आर रिटन बाय मी। सिंपल पास्ट, आई क्लिक्ड पिक्चर्स, पिक्चर्स वर क्लिक्ड बाय मी। सिंपल पास्ट का दूसरा स्टेटमेंट, आई रोट स्टोरीज, स्टोरीज वर रिटन बाय मी। सिंपल फ्यूचर, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, आई विल क्लिक पिक्चर्स, पिक्चर्स विल बी क्लिक्ड बाय मी। सेकंड सेंटेंस, आई विल राइट स्टोरीज, स्टोरीज विल बी रिटन बाय मी। प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, आई एम क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स, पिक्चर्स आर बीइंग क्लिक्ड बाय मी। पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, आई वाज क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स, पिक्चर्स वर बीइंग क्लिक्ड बाय मी। एंड फ्यूचर कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड इनटू पैसिव, ये याद रखिएगा। अब सेकंड स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं इसी का, आई एम राइटिंग स्टोरी, ए स्टोरी इज बीइंग रिटन बाय मी। Past continuous second statement. I was writing a story. A story was being written by me. Present perfect. I have clicked pictures. Pictures have been clicked by me. I have written a story. A story has been written by me. Past perfect. I had clicked pictures. Pictures had been clicked by me. Past perfect second statement. I had written a story. A story had been written by me. Future perfect. I will have clicked pictures. Pictures will have been clicked by me. I will have written a story will have been written by me. एंड परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस का कोई भी फॉर्म में चेंज नहीं होता है पैसिव में। ओके, अब हम लोग वर्कशीट 4 देखते हैं। वर्कशीट 4, रीड द रेसिपी ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग पास्ता एंड कंप्लीट द इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट फॉलो इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट पैसिव फॉर्म। देखिए ये हम लोगों को पास्ता बनाने का रेसिपी दिया गया है। ओके, हम लोगों को इसे पढ़ना और नीचे हम लोगों को कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन यहाँ पे फुलफिल करने हैं। ओके, और इसे किसमें फुलफिल करना है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट में। तो क्या है रेसिपी? बॉयल 2 ग्राम ऑफ पास्ता, स्ट्रेन आउट एक्स्ट्रा वाटर एंड पुट द पास्ता असाइड, कट वेजिटेबल्स लाइक बेल पेपर, onion, cauliflower, etc. into small pieces and fry in a pan. Add salt and spices. Add the boiled pasta to this mixture. Garnish it with sauces of your choice. Serve it hot. अब देखिए यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रक्शन। 2 grams of pasta is boiled. Extra water is strained out and the pasta is put aside. Vegetables like onion, bell pepper, cauliflower are cut into small pieces and fried in a pan. Salt and spices are added. Now the boiled pasta is added to this mixture. It is garnished with sauces of your choice and it is served hot. बी दिया गया है, गिवन बिलो इज द प्रोसीजर फॉर मेकिंग पेपर रैबिट। पेपर से रैबिट बनाने का प्रोसीजर दिया गया है। पहला, टेक ए पीस ऑफ व्हाइट पेपर एंड कट इनटू सर्कुलर शेप, फोल्ड द सर्कल इनटू हाफ। Third, cut 1 inch of the folded circle for the rabbit's tail. Fourth, cut a curved line on folded circle for the ears. Fifth, make a slit along the fold. Open the ears out. Sixth, give your rabbit a nice expression by adding a nose and a mouth with marking pins. Now the procedure. A piece of white paper is taken and it is cut into a circular shape. The circle is folded into half. 1 inch of the folded circle is cut for the rabbit's tail. A curved line is cut on the folded circle for ears. Further, a slit is made along the fold. The ears are opened out. Finally, the rabbit is given a nice expression by adding a nose and a mouth with marking pins. C. Fill in the blanks with the simple future passive form of the verbs given in brackets. The test papers will be checked tomorrow and the result will be declared on Saturday. Second, the packet will be delivered within 2 days. His new book will be released next month. Fourth, do you think my job application will be shortlisted? Fifth, the health minister has announced to start a cleanliness drive in the city. As a part of drive, various parks will be cleaned, dustbins will be installed, and the all polluting vehicles will be fined. वर्कशीट 5, चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू पैसिव। यहाँ पे हम लोगों को कुछ सेंटेंसेस दिए गए हैं जिसे हम लोगों को पैसिव में चेंज करना है। द एमसीडी इज कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ए ह्यूज स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स हियर। ए ह्यूज स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स इज बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड बाय द एमसीडी हियर। The authorities are decorating the whole city for the Commonwealth Games. The whole city is being decorated by the authorities for the Commonwealth Games. Third, they are connecting the metro with the games site. The metro is being connected by them with the games site. Fourth, they are building 10 hotels near the sports complex. 10 hotels are being built by them near the sports complex. Fifth, they were raising pillars for the construction of hotel. Pillars were being raised by them for the construction of hotel. The senior engineers and architects were preparing the final layout. The final layout was being prepared by the senior engineers and the architects. Seventh, were junior engineers helping them? Were they being helped by junior engineers? 8, they were listening to the instruction carefully. The instruction were being listened by them carefully. Ninth, the government is making adequate efforts to complete the work soon. Adequate efforts are being made by the government to complete the work soon. 10th, they were managing the work satisfactorily. The work has been managed by them satisfactorily. Worksheet 6. Fill up the blanks with the present perfect passive forms of the verb given in the bracket. Monday has been declared a holiday. The information has been found to be correct. Have you ever been detained for a security check? The check has been deposited, but the money has not been transferred yet. 5th, the lost bag has been recovered from a dump yard. The building has designed by the famous architect Hafiz Contractor. 7th, an emergency meeting has been called by director to review the company's policy. B. Change the following sentences into passive. They had already added my name to the list. My name had already been added by them in the list. The bank manager had approved Mr. Chawla's loan. Mr. Chawla's loan had been approved by the bank manager. 3rd, the mechanic had repaired the gain set before noon. The gain set had been repaired by the mechanic before noon. 4th, had she prepared the report when you reached the school? Had the report been prepared by her when you reached the school? 5th, had they not invited Mr. Gupta to the party? Had Mr. Gupta not been invited by them to the party? 6. Scientists will have invented flying cars by the year 2025. Flying cars will have been invented by scientists by the year 2025. 7th, we will have welcomed all the guests before 10 o'clock. All the guests will have been welcomed by us before 10 o'clock. 8th, the lecturer will have answered all your questions before tea break. All your questions will have been answered by the lecturer before tea break. 9th, by the evening they will have sent emails to all their employees. By the evening, emails will have been sent by them to all their employees. 10th, somebody will have cleaned your room before you reach back. Your room will have been cleaned by somebody before you reach back. Worksheet 7, question B. Scientists should conduct more experiments to know more about global warming. More experiments should be conducted by the scientists to know more about global warming. 2nd, you should switch off all the electric equipments when you go out. All the electrical equipments should be switched off by you when you go out. 3rd, you must deliver the message on time. The message must be delivered on time by you. 4th, I could not convince him. He could not be convinced by me. 5th, people should not judge others on the basis of their wealth. Others should not be judged by people on the basis of their wealth. 6th, the company might declare bonus for its employees. Bonus might be declared by the company for its employees. 7th, anyone can recognize a butterfly by its colorful wings. A butterfly can be recognized by anyone by its colorful wings. 8. You might have to delete this software from the hard disk. This software might have been deleted by you from the hard disk. 9. Anyone can assemble this plastic cupboard. This plastic cupboard can be assembled by anyone. 10th, we ought to show more sensitivity towards special children. More sensitivity ought to be shown by us towards special children. Worksheet 8. Read the examples given below and observe how these sentences are changed into passive. Open all the windows. Let all windows open. 2nd, inform him to report to me immediately. Let him be informed to report to me immediately. Don't walk like that. You are prohibited to walk like that. अब देखिए यहाँ पे क्या होता है, डोंट वर्ड जब यूज करते हैं हम लोग, इसका मतलब हम लोग किसी को ये कहते हैं कि तुम वो काम मत करो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ बोला जा रहा है कि डोंट वॉक लाइक दैट, उसके जैसा मत चलो या उस तरह से मत चलो. ओके, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि हम लोग किसी को रोक रहे हैं कि तुम्हें उस तरह से नहीं चलना चाहिए. तो हम लोग इसे क्या बोलेंगे, यू आर प्रोहिबिटेड टू वॉक लाइक दैट. 4th, store this medicine in a cool place. This medicine should be stored in a cool place. पे योर बिल्स ऑन टाइम, इट मीन्स यू शुड पे बिल्स ऑन टाइम। बोला जा रहा है कि अपने बिल्स को समय में पे किया करो, इसका मतलब यहाँ पे एडवाइस किया जा रहा है। ओके, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या बोलेंगे, यू आर एडवाइज टू पे योर बिल्स ऑन टाइम। अब हम लोग इसका बी देखते हैं, आगे के सेंटेंसेस आप लोग खुद पढ़ लीजिएगा। चेंज द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इनटू पैसिव, बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ, यू शुड बी ऑनेस्ट टू योरसेल्फ। सेकंड, डू नॉट हॉन्क, यू आर प्रोहिबिटेड टू हॉन्क। Tell the students to assemble in the hall, the students must be told to assemble in the hall. Fourth, take this medicine thrice a day, this medicine should be taken thrice a day. Fifth, discuss this problem with your teacher, let this problem must be discussed with. Sixth, kindly allow me to talk to the chairman, I must be kindly allowed to talk to the chairman. Seventh, do this now, let this be done now. 8. Keep your prescriptions handy, your prescriptions must be kept handy. 9th, print the email immediately, let the email be printed immediately. 10th, let the teachers call your parents, let the parents be called by your teacher. 6th, kindly allow me to talk to the chairman, I must kindly be allowed to talk to the chairman. 7th, do this now, let this be done now. 8. Keep your prescriptions handy, your prescriptions must be kept handy. 9. Print the email immediately, let the email be printed immediately. 10th, let the teacher call your parents, let the parents be called by your teacher. 11. Please help me arrange my books, you may please be helped to arrange my books. 12. Don't leave your car unlocked, you are advised not to leave your car unlocked. 13th, ask Mr. Mehra to appear for the interview on Monday, Mr. Mehra should be asked to appear for the interview on Monday. 14. Maintain silence, silence must be maintained. 15. Do not feed the animals, you are prohibited to feed the animals. Let him examine the arrangements, let the arrangements be examined by him. 17. Be careful, you should always be careful. Worksheet 9. Look at the two pictures given below, find and list the changes that have been made in picture 2. First, all the books have been scattered, the pot has been thrown over the table, the time has been changed in the wall clock, the almirah has been opened, the clothes have been thrown out, wall hanging has been displaced. Do it yourself. Provide suitable headings in passive for the following. One example is done for you. Eating or drinking inside the metro is prohibited. Delhi Metro does not allow passengers to eat or drink in the train. We accept credit cards. Credit cards are accepted. C. Sales assistant needed. We need sales assistant for the showroom. We repair electronic goods here. Electronic goods are repaired here. We undertake catering services. Catering services are undertaken. We may prosecute the trespassers. The trespassers must be prosecuted. G. We buy old furniture. Old furniture is bought here. H. We require ID proof for the customer for purchase worth above 10,000. ID proof of customers required. Second, fill in the blanks with appropriate passive forms of verb. A. Parents can request the teacher for arranging a PTM. The teacher can be requested the parents for arranging a PTM. B. I have submitted my form in time. My form had been submitted in time by me. C. Her behavior surprised me. I was surprised by her behavior. D. This channel airs many science-related programs. Many science-related programs are aired on this channel. E. Our Eco Club is staging a play on the importance of trees. A play is being staged by our Eco Club on the importance of trees. F. The team members were cheering the bowler. The bowler was being cheered by the team members. G. Somebody has eaten my lunch. My lunch has been eaten by somebody. H. Please accept my apology. You are requested to accept my apology. I. May God bless you with happiness. May you be blessed with happiness. J. Can anyone buy dreams? Can dreams be bought by anyone? We should reward the best performer. The best performer should be rewarded by us. L. Let Ravi take the responsibility. Let the responsibility be taken up by Ravi. Submit the assignment by Tuesday. The assignment must be submitted by Tuesday. And my father had already received my report card. My report card have been already received by my father. Third, rearrange the following verb phrases to form meaningful sentences. The first has been done as an example. A. Marco Polo was brought up in Venice. देखिए मैं इसका सिर्फ आंसर पढ़ रहा हूँ, क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँ. He was taken up by his father and uncle expedition to China. They were invited to stay at the court of emperor in the China. Marco Polo was asked to serve the emperor. Therefore, he learned to speak fluent Mongolian. 23 years, an account of his travels was written by Marco Polo. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो कंप्लीट हुआ. यदि आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, और यदि आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके और प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए ऐसे एजुकेशनल कंटेंट लाता रहता हूँ. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के भी सारे चैप्टर्स के एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड सॉल्यूशन वीडियोस अपलोड है. यदि आप लोगों ने वीडियोस को नहीं देखा है तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे आपको इंग्लिश के, मैथ्स के, साइंस के, SST के, हिंदी के सारे सब्जेक्ट के प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक दिया गया है, तो आप लोग इजिली किसी भी वीडियो को देख सकते हैं. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. जय हिंद, जय भारत.